Hello friends, this video on whole numbers part 11 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now based on all these properties that we have discussed so far, let us now try to look at some of the questions. Question number 1. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So here we have been given few 3-4 digit numbers and we have to add them. Now we can add them normally also, but we need to add them smartly. How? By making use of the properties that we have learned some time back, because that is the purpose of those properties. Those properties are going to make our calculations easier. So let's see how do we do this. First of all, what we do is we rearrange the terms in a proper way. Now, rearrangement is allowed because we have learned about the commutative law. Even if you interchange positions, the overall thing remains the same, because here we are talking about addition. So let us rearrange the terms. So what we do, let's keep 1962 and 1538 together. Why? Because both of them are 4 digit, as well as when you look at their ones place, you see that the 8 plus 2 will add up to form a number with 0 at the end. So that will help our calculations to become easy. And we keep the other two numbers together, that is 453 and 647. And we have also put brackets so that we perform these operations first. So 1962 plus 1538 is 3500. And what about 453 and 647? That is 1100. So therefore the result is 4600. So you see, we could do this sum in a more simple way by making use of the properties. Question number 2. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. So here also we will arrange it in such a way that our calculations become easier. Now here you see 125 into 40 might sound a little more tedious, because on one side you have a 3 digit number and on the other side you have a 2 digit number. So to make it simpler, what we do, we will bring 8 here and we will take 40 here. So we will just change their positions, that is as per the commutative property. So we will make it 125 into 8 into 40 into 25. So now multiplying this is comparatively simpler, and this comes out to be 1000 and this comes out to be 1000. Therefore the result is 10 lakhs. Question number 3. Find the value of the following. 81265 into 169 minus 81265 into 69. So looking at this, do you remember any property? Is there any property that comes to your mind? So the nice thing about it is that in both the terms you have 81,265 as something common. Now remember the distributive property, which says that A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now looking at this, do you remember something like this? It is of the form of A into B plus A into C. It is just that here you have minus. So what we can do is, by distributive property, we can take this common 81265 and then you put inside 169 minus 69. So you see, your calculation became damn easy, because otherwise you would have to multiply these huge terms. So this multiplied by 169 minus 69 would be 100. So therefore it would be this. So 81,26,500 would be the answer. Question number 4. Find the product using suitable properties. 258 into 1008. So here also we will make use of distributive property. So we can write 1008 as 1000 plus 8, because the moment we introduce terms with zeros, our calculations become simpler. So by distributive property, this would be 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. So this would be equal to 2,58,000 plus 258 into 8 would be 2064. So when you add these two, you get 260064. That is 2,60,064. Question number 5. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Okay, so every day the milk is delivered to the hotel 2 times. So in one day, once in the morning and once in the evening. So 2 times a day milk is being delivered. Now what happens during the morning? During the morning, 32 liters of milk is delivered and the cost of 1 liter of milk is 15. That means the cost of 32 liters of milk would be 32 into 15. Now in the evening, 68 liters of milk is delivered and cost of 1 liter is 15. So cost of 68 liters would be 68 into 15. Therefore, what would be the total cost for a day? So the total cost for a day would be 15 into 32 plus 15 into 68. Can you think of a way to simplify the calculation? Yes, by distributive law. Take 15 common, so 32 plus 68. So 32 plus 68 would be 100. So this can be written as 15 into 100. So this would be equal to rupees 1500. So this is the total money which is due per day, because in a day this is the total amount for which milk is being delivered to the hotel. Question number 6. Match the following. First one, 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. Which law is this? So this is definitely distributive law, because in distributive law we distribute the number, right? So we have broken it into 3 parts. So this can be written as 425 into 6 plus 425 into 30 plus 425 into 100. Second one, 2 into 49 into 50 is equal to 2 into 50 into 49. What have we done? We have done nothing. We have just exchanged the position. So wherever we talk about exchange, we talk about commutative property. Now this involves multiplication. So this is commutativity of under multiplication. The last one, 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Here also you see that just the positions have changed. So that is also commutativity, but this time it is addition. So commutativity under addition. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.